Good afternoon, good evening, and good night, and good morning for wherever you are in the world. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam, and this is just a quick video to let you know of something that's going to be coming up this Friday. Today is Monday. This Friday, we're going to be doing a live Q&A, and specifically, like a lot of everything else on this channel, I want to answer your beginner RC questions. So if you want to get into RC or, meaning FPV drones, airplanes, whatever, DIY tech type stuff related to things that fly, maybe even some 3D printing stuff, let me know your questions this Friday. I'm going to be live streaming from, let's say, 10 to noon Eastern time, so New York time. And if you have questions, hop on during that time and ask me, and I will answer them as best I can live, so then you don't have to wait any time. So I think that's pretty cool. And then also, if you're not going to be able to be on the live stream, then leave your question in the comment of this video so then I can answer it on Friday. And so we're just going to try that out. I've been wanting to do some more live streaming stuff, but honestly, I don't know. It just kind of always gets put on the back burner, but I want to do some more of that stuff. So if you're interested, please let me know. Leave your comment here, or leave a comment in the chat when we do the live stream. I think that's it. I'm pretty sure that's it. I'm excited to try this out because I know that it can be difficult, especially when you're a beginner and you know nothing about the hobby that you're getting into. It can be difficult to even research questions that you have because you don't know the terminology of whatever problem you're trying to solve. So come hang out on Friday. We're gonna have a great time answering some beginner questions, doing some live troubleshooting type of stuff, and it'll be a good time. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you then.